Good morning, everyone. It's the next day. As you know, I had to step away from this yesterday. I couldn't think straight to figure out why it wasn't playing nice for me, even though it was me. About being too aggressive with the stuff. So, anywho, I got it back up on here on a lathe. Clean this up a little bit. I'm gonna break these off. Get to the next one, clean it down, cut it off, and clean up the third one, cut off the tenon. Clean up the tenon. Then I'll go in and connect each one individually on a tenon, clean it out, and do it that way. Since don't feel like putting a steady rest together, I got one in. I just don't want to mess with it right now. So, adapt and overcome. And hopefully that'll make things a little bit easier for me here. We'll see what happens. Alright. Be back in a second. This is going to be the little guy. Alright, that tells me how low I gotta go. Yeah, this would be a good size. This way here I can have something to take off on everybody. Yeah, everybody gets a little shave. First thing is not to overdo it, but to bring this down on one size. And try to keep it like that throughout. So, gotta get everybody out this size. From here. It should be back. Alright, let's see how that's coming along. Yeah, it's a little bit surely. Alright, a little more. I'm going to try to do a cut instead of a scrape. Another one. Slow process, but I don't want to mess this one up. I'm trying to make it this time. I can sand the rest of that down. Alright. Here's where all the fun starts. Alright, that's a good size there. Alright, that's when you get out too. So this is good for here. Now we'll put the inside on here. And then, I have a window. So make sure you double check. Alright, measure twice. I'm gonna start here. Alright, let's see how close I am for a circle. Alright, just gotta go down a little more. Yeah, I got one more. Yeah, just a little bit. I'm gonna get a lot of that. So, that first. There you go. That's good in there. All right, send her up. We one down.
Yeah, I'm gonna get here. I'm gonna go for 8 minus first. There's 100. So 800. Yeah. Right. Turn around. Take 10 off. No, that's up. It might have first. Yeah, that's okay. Right, now we'll turn that around. That's it. That's it. Look on you. Oops. Ooh, in the middle. Six seconds on here.
All right, let's see what the sanding does. I should take that down. I kind of blew the top, but I salvaged it a little bit. It still look all right. I'm gonna sand through the grits. And then after that, put some sand sealer on it. Put it over here with the other two, and try to figure out how to connect the three of them together so they can move as one. Haven't figured that out yet. I don't know if I should do a dowel and just connect them that way, glue it, what? Leave it the way it is? I don't know. Anywho, sorry about that. Let me go ahead and get through these grits here, and then I will bring you all back. All right, sanded it up to 800. Put some sanding sealer on it here, and get ready to put some urethane on it. Still haven't figured out how to do them together. I might just keep them separate. All right, let's sand seals on it. Let's turn around now, get the tin off it, and see how it goes out. All right, take the tin off. Well, there it is. Not too shabby. All right. I appreciate y'all sticking around to the end. If you wouldn't mind, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, you know. I like to read some comments. But other than that, till the next one, I'm out of here. See ya.